After construction is finished on a wetland project, there's a period of monitoring and maintenance that's required. While we may have planted a certain assemblage of plants and a certain combination of seeds, nature's going to tell us what's the right combination here and what plants are going to thrive. Something that is kind of exciting to me is to see that natural succession. The idea is that the plants and the soils that are planted in the wetlands work together to remove some of the pollutants in the stormwater, as well as creating fabulous wildlife habitat. We come in every so often to check out what's going on, make sure the site is moving on a positive trajectory. That's an example of the fish monitoring we're doing today. We want to see what kind of a difference this is making over time. We're here with our contractors from Cascade Environmental. We have a fish biologist and a technician who are doing a fish survey today. They're looking for what types of fish are going to be in here and how many.
There's more of a burden on this lower river area to provide the rearing habitat that those fish need to survive. So the fish go up above the hydro project, they spawn. The juveniles in some cases will stay up there, but in many cases they'll move down here to rear. So it really puts pressure on sites like this or areas like this that are short, in short supply in the lower Clackamas, to provide that habitat, that resource for fish to use, to gain strength, to be more fit, and have a better chance of surviving when they go to the ocean. We found 8 juvenile Chinook that were yearling Chinook. These fish had very likely spawned up above the hydroelectric project. We found other native fish, red-side shiners, northern pike minnow, long-nosed dace.
This is a big project for Water Environment Services. This is probably the biggest stormwater treatment project that we have ever built. This is an example of how stormwater treatment can be done in really a beautiful way. So when developers and industries need to put in stormwater management on their property, they can actually do it in an aesthetic way using vegetation and soils, using nature to clean the water and use that as a benefit for their property.
I think it's encouraging to see that Clackamas County is forward-thinking and trying to manage the stormwater that is coming off of developed areas. There's a lot of stormwater, and stormwater can have a significant impact. This is a great start in trying to see what does it take to actually construct a wetland facility that can handle the stormwater that's coming into a stream, and yet that stream can still provide complex fish habitat for native fish in the Clackamas. I think that's exciting.